United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 159. Composition, procedure and voting. 1. The Assembly shall consist of all the members of the authority. Each member shall have one representative in the Assembly, who may be accompanied by alternates and advisers. 2. The Assembly shall meet in regular annual sessions, and in such special sessions as may be decided by the Assembly, or convened by the Secretary-General at the request of the Council, or of a majority of the members of the authority. 3. Sessions shall take place at the seat of the authority unless otherwise decided by the Assembly. 4. The Assembly shall adopt its rules of procedure. At the beginning of each regular session, it shall elect its President and such other officers as may be required. They shall hold office until a new President and other officers are elected at the next regular session. 5. A majority of the members of the Assembly shall constitute a quorum. 6. Each member of the Assembly shall have one vote. 7. Decisions on questions of procedure, including decisions to convene special sessions of the Assembly, shall be taken by a majority of the members present and voting. 8. Decisions on questions of substance shall be taken by a 2/3 majority of the members present and voting, provided that such majority includes a majority of the members participating in the session. When the issue arises as to whether a question is one of substance or not, that question shall be treated as one of substance unless otherwise decided by the Assembly by the majority required for decisions on questions of substance. 9. When a question of substance comes up for voting for the first time, the President may, and shall, if requested by at least 1/5 of the members of the Assembly, defer the issue of taking a vote on that question for a period not exceeding 5 calendar days. This rule may be applied only once to any question, and shall not be applied so as to defer the question beyond the end of the session. 10. Upon a written request addressed to the President and sponsored by at least 1/4 of the members of the authority for an advisory opinion on the conformity with this convention of a proposal before the Assembly on any matter, the Assembly shall request the Seabed Disputes Chamber of the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea to give an advisory opinion thereon, and shall defer voting on that proposal pending receipt of the advisory opinion by the Chamber. If the advisory opinion is not received before the final week of the session in which it is requested, the Assembly shall decide when it will meet to vote upon the deferred proposal.